To perform this work, you will need to safely raise and support the vehicle, as well as remove the front wheels. Please see the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. Begin by working at the front strut and pull the brake hose out of the mounting tab, green arrow. If you live in a four-season climate, spray the connection with penetrating oil and allow it to soak in before attempting to separate the lines, green arrow. Loosen the steel line by counter-holding the brake hose, then loosening the line nut using an 11mm flared nut wrench. Since we are replacing the brake hose, using vice grips here is okay. Sometimes the nut does not want to come loose. I found this great set of vice grips that works really well in this situation. They do a good job of holding the steel line firmly and securely while loosening it without rounding it out. Next, loosen the connection at the brake caliper using a 14mm flared nut wrench. Just break the hose loose. You will not remove it yet. Unscrew the steel line connected from the brake hose. Then remove the brake hose from the mounting bracket. Once the body side of the brake hose has been removed, unscrew the brake hose from the caliper. Installation is the reverse of removal. Remember to start tightening the threads by hand to make sure you don't cross-thread them. Now you need to completely bleed your brake system. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle before you bleed the brakes. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.